Hello, company Mallards. This isn't food, this is a camera. A video camera. Happy faces. Coming out once. Hello. More visitors, eh? And the cormorant.
Yeah, there is a cormorant. Yeah.
In other news over there far away, it's a cormorant. Shall we do one more and save the rest when the other birds come?
Okay,
One more.
Okay.
And can I come on filming when they're eating?
Yeah, there you are.
This is Croxley, guys, and I like it. This is just a camera. And over there, coming from a far away distance, I can see. That's the side they sometimes come through, coming from the big canals. And those are the company mallards over there. And I saw Swan coming by, but he was very far away. By the time I do it later on, I've seen the other lakes. Okay, guys? And last time there used to be Canada geese, but some of it were coming from over there, and that's where some of them were going. That's when it was coming this side, one of them were coming to move here. And these are the beautiful company mallards. I like it. Having a good old wash. Oh, and a dive. Well done, company mallard. So these are the boy company mallards that they used to be like they're growing, and some of the female ones lay the nest. But one of them are not, they just had some food, and I've done the filming of them, guys. I'm going to move to your side to check if I might see more birds. Okay, have a good luck on this one. Okay. There's a cat over there, guys, saying hello.
Oh my God, now you're talking, aren't you? Hello. Oh, you're pretty. Oh, you're pretty. That is so far.
Because it's not our cat, it's someone else's cat.
Yeah, be careful, she's a body shelter. Yeah, she's very pretty. Oh, very pretty cat.
Meow.
Meow.
This is a filmer.
Hello. Hello. Very pretty. Shall I take a picture of you? Oh. Yeah, you're very, very pretty.
Meow. Another recording on the couch. Time for your selfie taken.
Look at me. No, pose. No. You're not doing that. What? Look at me, cat. Puss. You want to look at me?
I think she's scared.
No, she's not scared.
I think she's a bit nervous and frightened.
No, she's not frightened. She's saying hello. She's very friendly.
But I don't think she liked the picture.
Oh, pretty cat. Oh, I think she can smell the tuna. I had a tuna sandwich. Will you look at me?
Whoa.
Look at me.
No. Don't worry. Mum, can I carry on doing the filming of it? And shall we continue to find the water birds now? Shall we say goodbye to the cat? Yeah. Should we continue to find the water birds now, Mum?
Okay.
Come on. No! No, no. Had to stop her from nicking one of my tuna sandwich. Have a good luck, Catty, but you're not allowed to sniff other people's food or eat in it. Bye! Meow! There's the return of a company in Mallards now, having a good old swim and dive. Like the place. Anyway, I'm going to carry on anyway, okay. Far away you see cows. Hello! It's a good idea that you can come around in the summer. Those cows are amazing. Oh! Sitting down cows. Very good. One standing up and eating grass. Those cows. Amazing. Coming over there is a swan. Ah, it looks like a one from a baby one. It's grown. Is it a grown one?
Mm-hmm.
Is it grown? Should we use all the food? Yeah. Should we tell Dad that we saw a sheepdog called Jess and he was playing with a ball and he was asking us again, are you going to feed us? Check if he's hungry. Check if he's hungry. There's a cormorant over there swimming along. Having a good slurp. Oh, the Mallard is coming. Company Mallard. Yeah, use it for the Mallard as well.
We're up the back. Yeah. Obviously, Victoria has the tickets. But Mum texts her. Yeah. Victoria saying I'm not going. Shall we walk back now?
Oh, should we go home?
Yes, let's go home.
I'll say, wow, can I let the company Mallard eat his food first?
It's only one mallard now. One mallard is not a company.
Yeah, it is. It is called the company Mallard.
Okay.
That was a slurping noise from the Swan, guys. I'll end the video when I go back to the top.
Okay.
Good slurping there. Anyway, I'm gonna go anyway. I'll let it eat for a minute, then we'll go. What's he doing? Ah, I think he's gonna feed its babies.
It's very sweet. Is it coffee?
Coming from the nest.
Okay.
Where's the nest? Where the moorhen is swimming to. And these flowers over there, beautiful. And in Croxley station we found a spot for the honeybee, guys. But don't forget, when we approach the top, when we get out, I'm gonna end my video, okay? Okay. It might be one of the moorhen.
I think so. No, it doesn't look like a moorhen.
It's a.
You are right, though. It doesn't. I don't know what sort of animal bird it is. Oh, it's got tiny little ducklings.
I think you'll find it could be a baby. It could be a grown-up baby cormorant.
No, it's something else. I don't know. Shall we look in the book when we get home?
It could be. Oh, it's a mandarin. It's a mandarin. It's a mandarin duck.
It doesn't look like it. Could be right, John.
It is a mandarin duck. It's a mandarin duck.
You think so?
Yeah.
Right. But it's got a lot of ducklings.
How many are there?
I can't even count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
But she's got a lot of ducklings.
It's a mandarin. What's it called?
You're right. In which case, where's the dad?
What's it called again? It's a
You think it's a mandarin?
mandarin. Yeah. And that
It's
it is.
careful with the...
Yeah, so anyway, these ones are going to follow it on, and when I go back to the top, I'll get it in my video, okay, guys? Okay. So, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys haven't seen here today, then please like and subscribe to my channel anytime you like, and any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave me any comments. I've done the water bird video, but it looks amazing. I like it because on the 17th I'm off to Hamilton with Tornado, so I will see you all there. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm almost about to cross the road and I'll see more cars coming. I'm about to go now, jump in a hurry, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.